guys, Tronosmo here, and I'm back with another D&D announcement. This time we'll be talking about D&D Tales from the Yawning Portal supplement that's gonna come up this April, the April of 2017, 4th April to April 4th, 2017. It's a hardcover book. The synopsis is of Dread Tales told in the dead of the night. The price will be like normal D&D books, which is like $49.95, and I'll read the item details for you. When the shadows grow long and water deep, and the fireplace in the tap room of the yawning portal dims to a deep crimsoned glow, adventurers from across the forgotten realm and even from other worlds spin tales and spread rumors of dark dungeons and lost treasures. Some of the yarns overheard by Duran, the born keep of the Yawning Portal, are inspired by places and events in far-flung lands from across the D&D multiverse. And these tales have been collected into a single volume. Within this tome, every 7 of the most compelling dungeons from the 40-plus year history of Dungeons & Dragons. Some are classic that have hosted an untold number of adventurers, while others are some of the most popular adventures ever printed. The seed of these stories now rests in your hands. D&D's most storied dungeons are now part of your modern repertoire of adventurers. Enjoy and remember to keep a few spare characters sheets handy. For use with 5th edition Player's Handbook, Monster Manual, and Dungeon Master's Guide, this book provides fans with adventures, magic items, and deadly monsters, all of which have been updated to 5th edition rules, and explore 7 deadly dungeons in this adventure supplement for the world's greatest role-playing game. That's the item details. In this book, it'll be telling you about the 7 most popular and old-ish dungeons and modules that have been produced by Wizards of the Coast and D&D. And here are the 7 popular dungeons and scary, deadly dungeons that will include in the Tales from the Yawning Portal. First one is Against the Giants. The second one is Dead in Thay. Third one is Forge of Fury. Fourth one is Hidden Shrine of Tamoachan. Fifth one is Sunless Citadel. Sixth one is Tombs of Horrors. And lastly, the White Plume Mountain. And that's it for the product overview.